The U.S. government planned to cut the 2014 budget for NASA. That means no more missions, no more jobs, people get fired and a new generation without an opportunities to continue in their dreams for the space exploration. According to the astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson and the NASA annual budget, NASA is no more than a half of a penny on a dollar bill. This is nothing between the $3 trillion that the federal government have. Also, the government spends more money making uniforms for the Army than NASA spends and build a space shuttle. That is why the government should not cut NASA's annual budget. Today, thanks to NASA, we have new technology that NASA had invented for the space program that later we use in our daily life. For example, during the Apollo missions, NASA invented the microprocessor that helped the astronauts during the Apollo program. Now we have laptops. In addition to thanks to NASA, we have new technology. NASA invented the first cordless drill for astronauts to use on the missions. Also, NASA helped to develop the GPS, telecommunication and technology that help us to understand the weather. All these inventions are thanks to NASA. A space program is a great opportunity for our country to create jobs. For example, by creating an expedition to the ISS, Moon or Mars, the mission would need people like scientists, engineers, mathematicians, doctors, astronauts, etc. Also create jobs for teachers for students who want to study science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. On the other hand, a lot of people said that, why spending money out there, if we have problems in here? Nobody cares about the space anymore. Although these intentions have been made, maybe are useful. But do you really think that can help in the current economic crisis? We do not have time and money for space exploration if we are in war. Exploration of the unknown might not strike everyone as a priority. But let us be honest, the creation of NASA was because of the Sputnik that was controlled by the Soviet Union, that at the same time we were at the Cold War for the communism, and other problems like Vietnam and social movements. We went to the moon because we were at war in a circumflex space race. See it? At the time going to the space, we discover Earth. And many programs that protected Earth were created. Also, NASA created jobs in the STEM field, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The creation of NASA was the creation of the future, the city of tomorrow, transportation of tomorrow. But now, because of the budget cuts every year, astronauts, engineers, that have years in a special training and knowledge going into the outer space, now have to work in giving history tours at the Kennedy Space Center, or Johnson Space Center, and many others do not have job. This is what budget cut creates. The decision of not dreaming anymore about the tomorrow.